Hello, this is Paul from EMD Automotive at Caringbah. I'm going to show you what I'm doing today. This car came in with the alternator problem, so this one here. Come to the front. When the car was dropped off, we actually checked the alternator charge rate, and the charge rate was 12.1, 11.9, which is battery voltage. Wasn't even working at all, so what I've done, I've turned everything on. Stereo on, the AC is on, main beam, high beam, everything's on to load the whole circuit up. At idle, it's still charging at 13.4, 13.5. If you go up to 2000 RPM, we'll go up to 13.6. So the charge rate is fine, but the alternator is all. It's the problem. So if you turn everything off, turn it off, roughly. Goes up to 13.7. If you turn the AC off, we'll go up to 13.9, 14 volts. So it's charging properly. So I just finished cleaning the throttle body as well. So that's the alternator there. Gonna go and rebuild one as well. So I'll turn it off. Turn the car off. So the pulleys need to be changed. All these pulleys here needs to be changed. That's the brand new, another brand new one, rebuilt alternator. I cleaned the throttle body before. I didn't show it, but before it was really dirty in there. So I just finished cleaning the throttle body as well, nice and clean. Put some conditioner on the belt so it lasts longer. What else? Yeah, just finished doing the alternator. The charge rate is at 13.9, 13.5 to 14 volts. So I'm happy with that. So this car I've sorted out, so it's all good. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.